Yesterday I was in Nakuru as a lawyer acting for Butere Girls. We are not talking about the Gen Z. This is the Gen Alpha. Kids, children being tear gassed, being injured, being denied one of the most fundamental freedoms in that constitution, freedom of expression.
Yesterday, Kenya and the world witnessed the most unfortunate assault on democracy when security agents acting on orders from above lobbed tear gas at young students of Butere Girls High School and members of the press at the National Drama Festival in Nakuru. It is an act of criminality against basic values of common decency.
We are unable to understand what is this viciousness against children by the present government. Even the colonial government that was very brutal, it never went for the children. So we have seen a situation where an administration has panicked because this one term is becoming real. So they have gone berserk. They have gone berserk and they are now fighting shadows, including schoolgirls. From 2 girls, from 3 girls. These are harmless girls.